In our previous class, we have learned how to install R and RStudio and what is the difference between R and RStudio. And we have successfully installed R and RStudio in our PC or laptop. So all participants, please open RStudio. All participants, please open RStudio. Click on this search bar or window button, search bar near window button. And here you can find a button name RStudio. If not found, you need to type here RStudio. You can see a app name RStudio app. Click on this app. When you click on this app, you will get interface of this application like this. So all participants, please open RStudio and type done within chat. All participants, please open RStudio and type done within chat. Then I will move to next step. So please all participants try to respond. Okay. Now I want to move next step. When you open this interface, it shows you 3 screens like this. But I have 4 screens, 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you have 3 screens, don't worry, just click on this minimize or maximize button. Here is the maximize button. When you click on maximize button, it will show you 3 screens. Again, click on maximize button. It will show you 4 screen. So I have no 4 screen in my RStudio. So I am typing here 4. If you are still have 3 and unable to show 4 screens, please let me know, or you can type here 3. In my PC, 4 screens are appeared. If you are still facing 3 screens, please type 3, or you can also share your screen. For 4 screen, you just need to click on this minimize or maximize button and then move to then you can get 4 screens. Okay. For the convenience, I want to give the number of the screens. For example, this is screen number 1, this is the screen number 2, this is screen number 3, and this is screen number 4. Screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3, and screen number 4. I give these names to the numbers to the screens for better understanding of the working of the screens. For example, when I say please check your screen number 4, you need to focus on this screen. When I say please open screen number 1, you need to focus on this screen. When I say check screen number 3, you need to focus on screen number 3, this one. Okay. Now, all these 4 screens have some specific names and specific functions. For example, I am typing here hashtag. Actually, R is a programming language. R is the programming language. And each and every language has its vocabulary and grammar. Similarly, R also have vocabulary and grammar. So here it is the hashtag. Hashtag is the word of R. Its mean heading. The hashtag mean heading, title, comments. When I write any line with hashtag on screen number one, its mean it may be title, it may be heading, it may be comments or notes. So here I give a hashtag, its mean this line is comments, notes, title or heading. So there are four screens. Screen one, screen two, screen three, and screen four. And these four screens have some specific names. Although they have some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, but these also have some specific names like screen number one names as script file. Screen number two names as console. Screen number three name as global environment. And screen number four name as plots or packages. So we have four screen. Screen number one name script file. Screen number two name console. Screen number three name global environment. Screen number four name plots or packages. So this screen number one is known as script file. This is the second file name console. You can see uh, here is the name of this file or screen console. Third is global environment. Here is its name global environment. And fourth is plot or packages. Instead of their specific names, these four screens have specific functions. Each screen perform a specific role. For example, screen number one used for writing a script. Screen number two used for or give answer of script. And screen number three contain dataset. And screen number four show plots or packages or other files. So screen number one is used to write a script. For example, I am writing here a script 5 plus 10. This is the script. I am talking with R and write a question. 5 plus 10. What is its answer? For getting its answer, click on this line and click on Run button. When I click on these lines and press Run button, it will show me the result of this line in screen number 2 in console. So when we run code or script in screen number 1, its results are output in the form of table, in the form of sentence, will appear in screen number 2. No, next is screen number 3. Screen number 3 shows us our data set. For example, I have imported a file named ficus. Here is our data set. When you click on this file, it will show you its preview on screen number 1. So screen number 3 consists of our data set. While the screen number 4 show us plot or packages. When you click on packages, it shows a list of packages which are already available on this our RStudio. So screen number 1 used to write script. Screen number 2 show you data or results in the form of tables or sentence. Screen number 3 show you your data set, and screen number 4 show you the result in the form of plot and packages. For example, I am writing here a script for example or for practice. Data, well, iris, select iris, and click on this run button. When you click on run button, the code is working. It show me result in screen number 2, data iris, while file appeared in screen number 3 with the name iris. And no, when I run this code for str iris, it will show you the result in the form of table in screen number 2. When if you run this command plot iris and run this code, it will show you the result in screen number 4. So here is the brief introduction about R and their 4 screens, screen number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you have seen their working or the working of these 4 windows, 4 screens. Screen number 1, we are writing a script on screen number 1. Its result will appear in screen number 2. If it is in the form of table or paragraph, its data will appear in screen number 3, and its plot will appear in screen number 4. All participants, please confirm it's clear. If clear, please type clear within chat. If you have any question, you can ask a question at this point. If clear, please type clear within chat. Then I will move to next step. If you have what type of the data will be appeared? All type of the data you can import in R. Here is just an example to showing you the performance of these 4 screens. I want to show you just the working of these 4 screens. You can import any type of data in R. Yes, Amit, you can ask question. Please open your mic.
Dr. I have a question because in screen number 1, you are going to write something.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
That's why in screen number 2, the answer for the script will be appeared. In screen number 3, the data will be appeared. And
Yes.
screen number 4, subsequently,
Yes.
the plot will be appeared. That's right. But
Okay.
as far as the screen number 1 is concerned, what type of data, or if we are required to analyze some data, either the screen number 1, what is the major purpose to use this
Screen number one is screen number one will be used for writing a script. For example, you have a file. It is your research data, and you want to perform ANOVA. You want to perform correlation analysis or any other analysis you want to perform. You need to write a script on screen number one.
Doctor, what we mean by script? Like, for example, if
This
I
is the
have the
script.
data and
This
that
is
is
the code. This
that
is the
is
script. The line which you show you to R, actually R is a language, and here I write a line data iris. It's mean I want to import iris dataset from R.
correct. The script can be written in the form of R language, or you can just write a script in just simple English language. Let's
No,
suppose
no,
if
no,
I
no.
have,
You need to write in R language.
if I have one file, I have a data set, and
Yes,
that has been imported in screen number 3, right?
yes,
I want to write something in the script file
yes,
to analyze that data.
yes.
Then what should be written on the screen script number 1? Let's suppose I'm going to correlate the two data.
Yes, you will be learn step by step. And in first step, we are just learning what is the working of these four windows. In our next class, these are next steps. You will learn each and everything which you have in your mind, like what is the code for correlation analysis, what is the script
Right.
for. You will learn
This
step
is
by step
what I am asking.
because
This
it
is
is
what
a
I am asking.
language, and similarly as English is a language or a Chinese a language.
I think there is a
Before,
separate code for each test to be applied on the data.
yes, separate code for each test.
Or we can simply use differential statistics in this, or just inferential statistics we can apply over this
You
software.
can apply each and everything related to statistics.
Yeah, like for example, if I am going to analyze the data by determining the frequency, distribution, standard
Yes,
deviation, then
yes,
there is
yes,
a separate code for standard deviation, invariance, and correlation, I think.
yes. Each and
All
everything
right.
you will do, inshallah.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Okay. So this is our first step. How to what is the no? We are just seeing what is the working of these four windows. So screen number one is used to write a script. Screen number two show us the result of script number one, and screen number 3 show us our data file, and screen number 4 show us plots. No. Our next step, what is the packages? Before moving to packages, an important step, what is the working directory? What is the working directory? For example, Dr. Hamid
Yes, that's so I'm here.
uh, is a postdoc scholar, and he is sitting with his supervisor. And for example, today is the first day uh, with his supervisor. So his supervisor say that, Dr. Hamid, uh, these are the keys you need to, uh, these are the keys, please go to lab, and in lab there are some cabins. This key is for cabin number 54. No, this K1 54 is your. Keep your all things related to your postdoc work. Dr. Hamid went to
Yes, I
lab
am on that.
and check K1 number 54 and save all necessary things in K1 number 54. No. Again, he come back to his supervisor. No, his supervisor say, please open your laptop and create a folder with name batch 54. Dr. Hamid open or turn on laptop and create a folder name batch 54 successfully. No. Again, he say I have done. No, his supervisor say please open our studio and create working directory and keep all or save all data related to analysis. Save all data related to analysis. Here, save all data related to postdoc research and save all things related to your postdoc. So your supervisor give you three tasks. One, your K1. Second, your folder. Third, your working directory. If you focus on K1, folder, working directory, actually these three things are same. These three things are same. Here is K1. Here is the folder. And here is the working directory. We use K1 for saving our important documents, but in the form of our hard form. Hard form. While folder is used to save documents in the form of soft or soft form. Similarly, working directory also used to save documents in the soft form, but related to data. You can save in folder related to books, pictures, graphs, each and everything you can save within this folder related to your postdoc. You can also save each and everything with this working directory, but you will prefer to save only data analysis related document within working directory. So we have three things. One is K1 used for hardware, used for software, used for software, or hard form document, soft form document, and soft form document. If you say, or you can say, K1 is a working directory. You can also say folder is a working directory. You can also say working directory is a folder. You can also say working directory is a K1. So if I explain it in very simple way, working directory is simply a folder just created within R. You can create folder within your PC, while you can create working directory within R. You can't create working directory within your window. You just create working directory within R. No. How to create working directory within R? Our next step, how to create working directory within R. No. We have 4 screens. Screen number 1, 2, 3, and 4. For working directory, we need screen number 3. For creating a working directory, we need a screen number 3. This one is screen number 3. On screen number 3, you can see a button at the top corner on right side, project none. Here is the button project none. Click on this button project none. You will get a list showing you new project, open project, open project in new session, body weight, batch. Maybe you don't have these options because I have these files, these working directories in my PC. You don't have these. So you need to click on new project. Click on new project. It show you want to save. I say please save. Okay. When you click on working directory, all participants please do this step by following me. All participants please do this step. I am repeating again. Our task is how to create working directory. For creating working directory, click on project none on screen number 3. Here is a button project none. On screen number 3, click on this button. When you click on it, it will show you a list. The first option, new project, because we are going to create a new project, a new working directory. So click on new project. When you click on this button, it will show you another option. You want to save previous work or not. Maybe you don't get this message. Click on save button. When you click on save button, it will show you 3 options: new directory, existing directory, or version control. You need to click on new directory. Click on new directory. No, you need to select new project and ignore all others. Click on new project. When you click on new project, it will show you a box showing directory name. So here you need to type directory name or folder name. Actually, directory actually is a folder. I am giving its name batch 54. You can also give its name batch 54. And here is a button for browse. Click on this button browse and set location where you want to save batch 54 working directory. You can select anywhere in your PC. And after selection, you just need to click on create project. When you click on create project, you will get batch 53 working directory. You can say name appeared on screen number 3, batch 54. Here is the batch 54. All participants, please confirm, have you done this step successfully? Or if you need any assistance or any help, you can share your screen. Please, if you have done, type done. If you need assistance or want to share your screen, please let me know. Only 2 participants have done. Okay. Okay. Now our next task is how to import file. How to import file in R. For example, Dr. Hamid supervisor say that you have a file in your folder or working directory. Please import this file in R. I am sending a file for practice. So all participants, please open WhatsApp group. I am sending a where is group? Here is. Please download this file and save in your working directory. You have already select location for working directory. Go to location, copy and paste your ficus file in your working directory. After downloading, please type done within chat. Download this file. I have sent in WhatsApp group. After downloading, type done within chat. All participants, please type done. If you have saved ficus file within working directory. Okay. Now our task import ficus file. Dr. Hamisa, please open your mic.
All right, sir.
Okay. I want to ask few questions with example so that you will understand what are packages and how to install or activate these packages. Uh, for example, Dr. Hamid Saab and their supervisor is sitting in office. No, it's a second day. First day, Dr. Hamid supervisor say please said please create a working directory. Dr. Hamid uh, have successfully created working directory. Now, second day, his supervisor say, please import Excel file in R. Before moving to this step, I want to give few example for clarification of or for clarification about what are packages. So before moving to import, we need to understand what are packages. You can see I am giving a hashtag with each line. It means this line is comments, notes, or a heading. No, second day, Dr. Hamis supervisor say, please, here is a beaker and there is some solution within beaker. His supervisor say, please find its temperature. The first question should be arised in Dr. Hamid minds. So, Dr. Hamid, please let me know when your supervisor say, please find temperature of the solution. Which question should be arised in your mind? The first question.
The first question, I think, here is the beaker. I have to find the beaker first.
No. Okay, I give another easy example. For example, your supervisor say, please uh, find its, sorry, I give you another example. Your supervisor say, please take picture of your screen and send me. The, which question should be arise in your mind? The first question. For example, your supervisor say, please take picture of your screen and send me. Okay. When you are given any task in our daily life, to complete this task, we need a tool, we need a instrument. For example, when your supervisor say, please find temperature. The first question should be arise in your mind. Which instrument will be used for find temperature? No. When your supervisor say, please take picture, the first question should be arise in your mind. Which instrument will be used for to find the temperature? Same question. To take picture. No. Third question. Find iron or zinc concentration in the sample. Similarly, which instrument will be used to take up, or which instrument will be used to find iron or zinc concentration in the sample? So in brief, in our daily life, we need a tool, we need an instrument, we need a machine to perform our daily life task. For example, if your supervisor say, please write an application, you need a pencil or copy or a page. These are also tools. When your supervisor say, please take picture, you will use mobile phone. Mobile phone is also a tool, also a instrument. Similarly, when your supervisor say, please find temperature, thermometer is also a instrument, is also a tool. When your supervisor say, find zinc or iron concentration, it is also a tool. So in our daily life, we need a specific tool to perform a specific task. In our daily life or in our scientific life mean in our lab, we call them, these tools are instruments, these tools are machines. When you went to your lab, maybe biology lab, maybe chemistry lab, or any other lab, you see lot of instruments are found in this lab. All these tools are known as packages in the language of R. R called them, this is not a tool, this is a package. For example, thermometer is a package in R language. Your PC is a package in R language. Your mobile phone is a package in R language. Similarly, in our daily life, we need a tool, we need a instrument, we need a machine to perform our daily life task. Similarly, in R, to perform each task, we need a specific instrument. For example, if you want to import file, you need a package. You need a tool. You want to draw graph, you need a package. You want to do correlation analysis, you need another package. So for each and every analysis, you need a different package. If
It
you come
means
on,
that the type of data we have and the type of
no,
analysis
no,
we are
no,
going to
yes,
do, these are
type of
packages.
analysis, not type of data. Type of analysis, each type of analysis need different package. For example, uh, uh, please let me know your field of study.
Quality management system.
Pharmacy.
In terms of ISO certifications, international accreditation, by you mean healthcare system, quality management system,
No, no, please, main subject,
pharmacy.
pharmacy. Okay. So in pharmacy, for example, you want to find iron or zinc concentration, you need atomic absorption spectrophotometer.
Yeah, exactly.
For water purification, you need a water filter. Even to performing a very simple step, you need a different tool, different device. You want to find pH, you need a pH meter.
pH meter.
You
Not
want to
important,
filter,
I
you need
guess.
a filter. You want to find nitrogen, you need flame photometer or other tools. You want to check germs, microorganisms, you need microscope. Similarly, in our R, for each analysis, you need a different machine. In R, we called this machine is a package. When you come your lab, in your pharmacy lab or engineering lab or any other lab, you can find lot of instruments are found in this lab. Similarly, when you come on your R Studio Lab. Please all participants come on screen number 4. Here is the R Studio Lab button package. Packages mean instrument, devices, machines. You can find a list of machine already found in your R Studio Lab. Please come on screen number 4. Here is a list of machine. Here is a list of tools. Here is a list of packages. In the case of our physical lab, we call them tool, machine, or instruments are in R, we call them packages. Hopefully, no, it is clear. No, we are going to move how to import Excel file. How to import Excel file in R. So the first question should be arised. When I say how to import Excel files, the first question should be arised. Which tool will be used? Which tool will be used to import Excel file? Your supervisor replied that you can use read Excel machine. So no package name, read Excel. This package will use to import ficus file or Excel file. Any Excel file you can import by using this package. So your supervisor say please import Excel file. The first question should be arise in your mind. Which tool will be used? Your supervisor replied, read Excel. Second question, is read Excel available in your R Studio Lab? R Studio Lab in screen number 4. So now you need to confirm read Excel. So all participants please come on screen number 4. All participants come on screen number 4. Here is a screen number 4. Is a search bar button and search here read Excel. I have this machine. So I am typing here yes. I have this machine. This machine will use to import Excel file from our PC to R. So I have this file. So I am typing yes. If you have this file, type yes. If you don't have this file, please type no within chat. If you have this file, type yes. If you don't have this file, please type no. I am waiting for your reply. When all participants replied, then I will move to next step. Okay. No, some participants say yes, and some participant answer is no. Now we need to arrange this package. We need to arrange this machine. For installation, we need to click on install button on screen number 4. Here is the install button. Click on this. Here is a search bar. Right here, read Excel. Read Excel. Or read Excel and type read Excel and click on install button. When you click on install button, it will show you a red dot on screen number 2. It will show you a red dot. When the red dot disappear, it show you the result. You don't need to read these red lines. These red lines are not for you. These lines are for R. These black lines are for you. You need to focus on these black lines. It show you package, read Excel successfully unpacked and MD5 sum checked. After getting this message, again, come on screen number 4 and search read Excel and let me know, have you found read Excel? Only those participants replied whose answer is no. Okay, good. Now we have a machine. You know that each and every machine, when we work on each and every machine, we need to turn on this machine. For example, you want to your mobile phone. First, you need to turn on your mobile phone. You want to use your PC or laptop. First, you need to turn on your PC or turn on your laptop. You are working in your lab. Lot of instruments are found. Mostly in current era, all instruments are almost electronics. We need to turn on these instruments before work. Similarly, in R, we have our read Excel, but before working it, we need to turn on. For turn on, we will use a term library. Here is a library. I am writing a comments or notes library. Library meaning. Library is a word of our language. This library is not a English language. This library is a word of our language. It's mean turn on or activate. Turn on or activate. Uh, Abdul Rashid Saab, kindly, which question you want to ask for repeat? Yes. After installation of read Excel, you need to do library. Here is a library. Just type library and write a line. Read Excel. It's mean turn on read Excel. Library mean turn on. Turn on read Excel. We are talking with R. We are saying to R library read Excel. It's mean turn on read Excel or activate read Excel. Click on this line and press on run button. When you click on run button, it will show a tick mark on screen number 4 with read Excel. It's mean our package is now activated. All participants please type done if you have done this step successfully. Okay. डॉक्टर हामिद साहब आपके पास टिक नहीं शो हुई? आप स्क्रीन शेयर कर सकते हैं? डॉक्टर हामिद साहब आप स्क्रीन शेयर कर सकते हैं? माइक ओपन कीजिएगा। Okay. In our next class, we will import Excel file and we will perform some basic plots by using R language. Okay. If you have any more question, you can ask within chat because time for next class is going to start for batch 51. So, okay. Now our next class will be about import Excel file and some basic plots in R. Okay, thank you. जी डॉक्टर हामिद साहब, सर आप टाइप करें लाइब्रेरी। आपने ना लाइब्रेरी के साथ हैश टैग लगाया हुआ है। जब आप लाइब्रेरी ये हैश टैग लगाते हैं ना तो फिर ये कोड नहीं होता, और लाइब्रेरी के स्पेलिंग भी आपने गलत लिखे हुए हैं ना। आप दोबारा टाइप करें लाइन नंबर 2 पे लाइब्रेरी। यस, लाइब्रेरी रीड एक्सेल। यस, नो रन दिस लाइन। नो, अब आपके पास जो है वो टिक मार्क शो हो गया। ओके, ओके, थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज।